Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm diving into a topic that's truly transformative. What does a healthy lifestyle mean? Understanding and adopting healthy habits is crucial for overall well-being. It's more than just a buzzword. A healthy lifestyle can positively impact every aspect of your life, from physical health to mental clarity and emotional well-being. So, what exactly does a healthy lifestyle encompass? It's about balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, and mental well-being. It involves making conscious choices that support health and wellness over the long term. Remember, it's not about perfection, but making sustainable improvements in your daily habits. Let's break down the components of a healthy lifestyle. First up, nutrition. A balanced diet includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Minimize processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive salt intake. Meal planning can help. Try preparing meals ahead of time and incorporating colorful foods. Next, physical activity. Regular exercise has numerous benefits, including improved cardiovascular health, enhanced mood, and better sleep quality. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, jogging, dancing, or yoga, to make exercise more enjoyable and sustainable. Now let's talk about sleep. Quality sleep is vital for overall health and well-being. Adults generally need 7-9 hours of sleep per night. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule and improve sleep hygiene by creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Sleep plays a critical role in cognitive function, mood regulation, and immune system support. Moving on to stress management. Chronic stress can significantly impact health and well-being. Manage stress through techniques like deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, mindfulness meditation, and yoga. Take regular breaks to recharge and reduce stress levels. Hobbies, social connections, and time spent in nature are also effective stress relievers. Lastly, mental well-being. Addressing mental health is key to a healthy lifestyle. Promote positive mental health by practicing gratitude, seeking professional support if needed, and engaging in activities that bring relaxation and joy. Remember, caring for your mental well-being can enhance your overall quality of life. Here are some practical tips for incorporating healthy habits. Start small and gradually build up to avoid overwhelm. Set SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals to track your progress. Use a journal or app to monitor your food intake, exercise routines, and sleep patterns. Seek support from friends, family, or online communities to stay motivated and accountable. The long-term benefits of a healthy lifestyle are well worth the effort. You'll experience improved energy levels and productivity, reduced risk of chronic diseases, enhanced mood stability, and increased longevity. So, to recap, focus on balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, quality sleep, stress management, and mental well-being. Take proactive steps towards healthier habits. It's an investment in yourself that can positively impact all areas of your life. Got tips, experiences, or questions? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on health, wellness, and personal development. Thanks for watching.